Today we are going to start new lesson, health and disease. In these lessons we are going to study a chapter outline, health, types of diseases, infectious diseases, some important diseases of the present day, infection through animals, genetic medicines, lifestyle and diseases. Okay, let's learn about health. First, what happens exactly when we become sick? When we become sick, there is disturbance in the normal health. There is some pain in the body. One may get fever. There is headache or cough and cold. Sometimes the digestion is improper, resulting into loose motions. In this way, we may get uncomfortable feeling. Sometimes we feel good even without taking any medicines, and sometimes we need to consult doctor and take regular medicines in sickness. And why is it so? Some illness can be treated at home with household remedies. Even if there is infections, it can be for a short period and get cured by itself. But some of the illness are several and cannot be cured in such a way. Thus, a doctor's advice and the treatment is required. With doctor's consultation and regular medicines, then there is a relief. So, definition of the health. What is the definition of the health? Now, the state of the holistic physical, mental, and social being is called the health. Now, in next part is disease. Disease. What is the meaning of the disease? आरोग्य. रोग म्हणजे काय? Condition of disturbance in physiological or psychological process of body is called as diseases. Each disease has its own specific symptoms. रोग म्हणजे काय? तर शरीर क्रियात्मक किंवा मानसिकरित्या शरीरातील महत्त्वाच्या काही जैविक कार्यामध्ये अडथळा आणणारी स्थिती म्हणजे काय आहे? रोग आहे. आणि ह्या प्रत्येक रोगाची विशिष्ट अशी लक्षणं असतात. म्हणजेच ईच डिसीज हॅज इट्स ओन स्पेसिफिक सिम्पटम्स. Types of diseases. You must have heard the name of various diseases like diabetes, common cold, asthma, Down syndrome, heart diseases, etc. Reasons and symptoms of all these diseases are different. They can be classified general as follows. First, types of diseases. There are two types of diseases, mainly two types of diseases. First is the according to duration and another is the according to reason. First we all see according to duration. There are again two types. First is the chronic diseases and second is the acute diseases. Chronic diseases, for example, cancer, arthritis, and acute diseases, fever that comes up suddenly, cold. रोगांच्या प्रकारानुसार रोगांचं वर्गीकरण केलं जातं आणि या रोगांच्या प्रकारानुसार रोगांचं वर्गीकरण एक कालावधीनुसार आणि दुसरं आहे कारणानुसार. मग पहिल्यांदा आपण बघितलं की कालावधीनुसार म्हणजेच पहिला आहे क्रोनिक डिसीजेस म्हणजेच दीर्घकालीन रोग आणि ॲक्यूट डिसीजेस म्हणजेच तीव्र रोग. आता दीर्घकालीन रोगामध्ये कॅन्सर, ॲथ्रायटिस अशा प्रकारचे रोग उद्भवतात. तर तीव्र रोगामध्ये म्हणजेच ॲक्यूट डिसीजमध्ये फीवर दॅट कम्स अप टू सडनली कोल्ड. Then next is the types of diseases again according to causes. म्हणजेच कारणानुसार होणारे रोग याच्यामध्ये in according to causes into past hereditary diseases and acquired diseases. Hereditary diseases that like the Down's syndrome. And the second one is the infectious acquired diseases, again to pass infectious diseases and non-infectious diseases. Infectious diseases, that is also called as the communicable diseases. For example, cold diseases. Communicable diseases are caused by pathogens such as the bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoans, helminthes, etc. They spread fast through unhygienic conditions and susceptible individuals. They can be spread by epidemic also. And non-communicable diseases as well as non-infectious diseases. Non-communicable diseases are caused due to genetic abnormalities varying to tissues, for example, arthritis, degenerations, and the deficiencies, night blindness. They are not spread but remain restricted only to the patient.